Meaning of hyped up.
Hyped up.
Hyped up.
Hyped up.
Hyped up. The phrase hyped up is used to describe a situation where something or someone is excessively promoted or advertised to generate excitement and anticipation. This can lead to heightened expectations and a sense of enthusiasm among people. However, when the outcome fails to live up to the hype, there can be a feeling of disappointment and letdown. In some cases, the hype can also lead to a frenzy and over-the-top reactions. Overall, being hyped up can have both positive and negative effects depending on the context and the ability to deliver on the hype.